यार लॉकडाउन ना चिल है, मतलब इतना लोड नहीं है, घर पे बैठना चिल है। बस एक प्रॉब्लम है यार, ये क्या उग रहे हैं सर पे, मतलब ये क्या, ये मतलब झाड़ है क्या? लाइक आई कांट गेट अ हेयर कट गाइस, दैट्स द वर्स्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस लॉकडाउन। सो वेलकम बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप यू गाइस आर हैविंग अ ग्रेट डे। सब्सक्राइब करने तो मैंने पहले ही बोला है, फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार। एक बटन क्लिक कर लो अभी अभी, हाँ, लाइक राइट नाउ। हाँ ठीक। सो टुडे आई एम गोना टीच यू गाइस हाउ टू एडिट लाइक रियली कूल पिक्चर्स। बट कोई तुम्हें लैपटॉप वगैरह नहीं चाहिए, और ना ही तुम्हें कोई पैसे खर्च करने हैं, लाइक फुल लाइक सेट एकदम। हाँ, सो यू डोंट हैव टू पे अ पेनी, and like these apps are free. Everyone has a phone. Just like you need your phone and you need some techniques that I'm going to teach you guys right now, and sorted like insane pictures, poof, on the spot. So anyways, let's get started. So the apps that we're going to need is Lightroom Mobile, free; Snapseed, free; Lens Distortion. Now using these three apps, you're going to create some insane looking picture. So what are you waiting for, guys? Let's jump into the edit. So first things first, when I import the picture in Lightroom mobile app, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my own created custom preset. By the way, I'm giving it out for free. It's literally free में दे रहा हूँ। Just एक चीज़ करना है, just एक चीज़. You take a snapshot of this tutorial, put it on your story, tag me, and the moment I get the tag, I'm going to give out the preset to you for free. सिंपल, इतना लोड नहीं है यार, मतलब इट्स अ चीटिंग वीटिंग नहीं, इट्स लाइक बार्टर सिस्टम गाइस। लाइक तुम मेरा भला करो, मैं तुम्हारा भला करूँगा। सो इफ यू पुट दिस आउट ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी, जस्ट टैग मी ऑन इट एंड आई एम गोना गिव द प्रीसेट टू यू फॉर फ्री, नो मनी। बाकी लोग तो बेचते हैं गाइस, लाइक आई एम नॉट सेलिंग इट, आई एम गिविंग इट फॉर फ्री एनीवेज। So yeah, this is my own created custom preset, and you can already see how drastically it improves the quality of the image. So yeah, that's what I do. I just apply this preset, and like 90% of my job is done. What is left is a little bit tweaking here and there around the image, and it's ready, and it's already ready. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture to Lens Distortion app. So Lens Distortion app is also a free app which helps you to apply different types of overlays over the image you already have, which enhances the impact of the image way too much. So now I see this picture, it like there's something missing in the sky. So I just added an overlay of the sun's lights and reflection, and it went pretty much well with it. And I just lowered the opacity a little bit, and it's perfect. Like it suits the image already so much. So I'm gonna add a rainbow in the picture, which is to make it look more aesthetic. So once you import the picture, which has been already edited in Lightroom and Lens Distortion to Snapseed, now you can simply just go to the tools option and click on double exposure. For this picture, I wanted to add a rainbow, but in your case, you can try other things, whatever you want to double expose in an image. So just select that image, keep it downloaded already, and just add it on top of it. I know it looks kind of weird right now because both the images are superimposed. Just make sure that the part which you want to superimpose is placed perfectly on the image, how you want it basically. So just do that. Don't make any changes unless needed, and just press OK. So right now you're gonna see a weird kind of image where both the images are superimposed. It's okay, we'll take care of that. Next thing, you go on top right where you see some revert kind of option, and when you tap on that, you see another option in the bottom left which says view edits. So when you click on that, you'll be able to see the set of edits that you have already done, and here we'll see our double exposure as well. You click on the double exposure option, and there you'll see a brush kind of option. So you select on that. So basically what it does is now it allows you to brush a section of the double exposed image which you actually want. So it makes your job pretty easier because now you can select what you want to superimpose and what you don't want to add in the picture at all. So this is it. You just choose the brush, you select the part which you need. For example, in my case, it's the rainbow section. I'll just select that and clean it up a little bit so that it looks more natural, it looks more aesthetic, and you can already see that this picture looks a bomb. So the picture that we started first looks something like this, and now it has completely turned to something like this. So this is how you do it, guys. There are way too many things you can do in double exposure. There are no limitations to it. and yeah, that's how you do it. So it's pretty simple and neat. So what I want you guys to do is, now when you use any of these techniques that I use, just use a hashtag of my name, Ranjat Jha, and that's it. I'll be able to see those photos and I'll be so happy seeing them, just be happy about it. Anyways, so that's about today's tutorial. Like I said, I'm going to give my presets for free to everyone whoever shares this YouTube video on the story as a screenshot and tags me. The moment, trust me, the moment I get the message that okay, I've been mentioned in a story, I'm definitely gonna give my preset away. So that's for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the whole process, the whole learning process. Yeah, that's it. And let's see what I bring in the next tutorial. Till that time, peace out.